Hello friends, I am Lakshman. You are watching Learn Programming by Lucky Sir YouTube channel. I hope you are enjoying my videos. So for latest technologies, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you want to receive new videos through notification, please click on bell icon. Python is a programming language, one of the leading technology in IT industry. In this video, we will know the list of top Python development companies in India. The first one is Mobi Web Technologies. Meta Design Solutions is a Python development company that provides end-to-end Python development services for different game development, mobile development, web development, desktop applications, etc. The next one is Mindfile. It provides a high range of Python development services with the support of their deep web application development expertise. The next one is Micropyramid. It provides services including web apps, automating tasks, data science, testing. They also provide Django development services, Django Oscar e-commerce development services, Django Spanner, Django Webpacker related services. The next one is ThinkSys. ThinkSys is outstanding software and programming professionals providers having state-of-the-art programming solutions in the Python language. It develops applications using Python-based web frameworks, Amazon Web Services, MySQL and Linux, and also having automation using open source technologies like WebDriver and Selenium RC. The next one is Edmonton. Python engineers and developers who deliver dynamic web applications, desktop applications in Django framework, dynamic websites, business intelligence, and analytics services. The next one is eGrow Systems. It provides services in Python web development, Plone development, Django development, Pyramid web frameworks, etc. The next company is Worldwide Web Technology. World Web Technology is a top-notch Python development company that has provided excellent web solutions, application development in Python. They provide Python Django web development services to its clients. The last one is Algo Tech Solutions. It supports an active involvement and understanding of the Python open source community. It provides the services in Django web development company, Flask development, etc. So that's all friends. These are the list of top Python development companies in India. So thank you for your visit. Have a nice day.